Mastering chopping techniques for Asian cuisine. Did you know that the way you chop vegetables can completely change the flavor of your favorite Indian dishes? It's true, chopping isn't just prep work, it's an art. Let's unlock the secrets together. Hi everyone, welcome back to Fiza's Kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of Asian cooking, where chopping isn't just about speed, it's about precision and technique. Let me show you how mastering these skills can elevate your dishes to restaurant quality. Ever tried making authentic curries or stir-fries, but they just don't taste quite right? The problem might be how you chop your ingredients. Many home cooks struggle with uneven cuts, wasted time, and loss of flavor in their dishes. Today, I'm taking on the challenge of mastering professional chopping techniques for Asian cooking. Can I nail it in just one video? Let's find out. 1. Finely chopping onions. For Indian dishes, finely chopped onions are essential for a thick gravy base. Slice the onion in half, make horizontal cuts, then vertical ones, and chop carefully for uniform pieces. 2. Perfectly dicing tomatoes. Diced tomatoes are the heart of many recipes. Cut the tomato into quarters, remove the seeds for a smoother curry, and dice into small cubes. 3. Chopping fresh herbs and spices. Fresh herbs like coriander or chilies add a punch of flavor. Roll the leaves tightly, then slice them thin for perfect garnish. Let's put these techniques to the test. Watch how these finely chopped onions caramelize faster and the evenly diced tomatoes melt into a perfect gravy. The texture and flavor are completely transformed. And there you have it. The secret to an authentic curry is in the chop. Today, we learned how to chop like a pro for Indian cooking: onions, tomatoes, herbs, and more. These simple techniques can completely change the way you cook at home. Now it's your turn. Comment below with your favorite chopping tips, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fiza's Kitchen. See you next time for more exciting kitchen adventures.